The next sound is that of another combination of two vowels, which is letter O and letter A. So when letter O and letter A, they come together, they make the sound O. O. Remember the rule? In the A sound, we had learned that when two vowels come together, the name of the first one, in this case, letter O, becomes the sound of O and A together. The sound is O. O. Look at the movement of the lips. O. We are pushing the lips outwards. O. 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 Some words that have the sound are boat, 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 b-o-t, boat, g-o-t, goat, goat, goat. And what do we take bath with? Soap, 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 soap. Focus on the movement of my lips. We push the lips outwards when we say the O sound. Soap. Some more words could be foam, foam. When we apply soap, what forms? Lather, foam, foam. The next word is float, float. In the pool, we float in the summertime. Float, float. The sound is O. O. Letter O, letter A come together and make the sound O. O.